Alright, now we have a coding interview question. Palindrome number. Here's the problem statement. Determine whether an integer is a palindrome. An integer is a palindrome when it reads the same backward as forward. If you are given this particular integer as input, it reads forward 1 to 1 and also backward it reads 1 to 1. Here we see this integer is a palindrome because it reads the same forward as backward. If you are given this particular integer as input, if we reverse it, then it will be like this, 1 to 1 minus. So this integer and this integer is not the same. So this is not a palindrome. So for this input we should return true. For this input we should return false. If we have this integer as input, now if we reverse this integer, we see 0, 1. 0, 1 and 1, 0 are not the same. So this integer is not a palindrome. How we can solve this problem? If we see this true condition is true, then we should return false. Because the negative number is not a palindrome, and if a number ends with 0, that number also is not a palindrome. Now let's see how we're going to solve this problem. If we have this input, then how can we solve this? First, we can just reverse this integer, right? And then we're going to check the reversed integer with the given integer. If the two integers are same, then we're going to return true. If not, then false. To reverse an integer, we might have an overflow. To overcome that, we can solve this problem by reversing the half part of the given integer. We check if the length of the given integer is even, then we're going to split the integer at middle. Then we're going to reverse the second half, this half, right? So it will be 12. And then we're going to compare the second half that we reversed